Welcome to Supsystic, a magical WordPress world where all plugins play nicely together. If this video is too quick, feel free to pause or use the cog menu as shown here to slow it down. Welcome to part 1 of our comprehensive guide, Getting Started with Data Tables. In this video sequence, you'll learn how to harness the full power of the Data Table plugin by Supsystic to create a dynamic and interactive data table for your website. We'll cover everything from configuring basic settings, adding data, and enabling advanced features such as sorting, search, pagination, and formulas. In this segment, we'll walk you through the fundamentals of creating and managing data tables for your website. Creating a basic data table from scratch is easier than you might think. With just a few clicks, you can define the structure of your table and customize it to suit your needs. Let's go ahead and create a new simple table, with 5 columns and 6 rows. Now that your table is set up, it's time to add some data. Understanding the structure of your table is key to organizing your information effectively. Simply input your data into the corresponding columns, making sure to follow the designated format. This will ensure that your table remains organized and easy to navigate. Data Table plugin by Supsystic is similar to Excel Sheets or Google Sheets. You can customize it according to your liking. Cell background color, font style and font size, font color, alignment and word wrapping. You can also change the format of the cell by clicking the euro sign. And insert a media file as well. Let's go ahead and try that. Here, you can add or delete rows and columns. You can also use right-click and add rows or columns. Let's add column for our media files. Now let's add or insert media files. Go ahead and click the Insert Media. We can upload some media. Or like here, media files are already in the library. Choose the media accordingly. Your media files have already a link provided. If it's clicked, you will go directly as to where you can save the file. It's all about preference, but for me, I wanted my images unclickable. To do this, you just need to delete the ref code like so. Now, I want my images to be smaller. We can change the size by going to the code. Here, I am adding a header name for my media file. We can also add a link on our texts by clicking Insert Link button here. I have made adjustments to my data table. I have added more data and customized the header. Right here, you can merge cells. Add diagram and charts. This is available on Pro version. We will also teach you how to make great charts to help get your message across your visitors. You can add your conditional formatting here, if you want. Add editable field. Let's go ahead and add a row for editable field. Add editable field for selected cells to edit cell value on front end. Here, I added an editable field where they can add their name, position, office, extension, date and salary, and add an editable field where they can upload a photo as well. Add drop-down list. I have opted to use a drop-down list under position. You can add a selection here and just click apply. Don't forget to hit save. Now for date picker. I have removed the editable field, and add a date picker under the start date. Here is for rows collapsible. You can control which rows you want to show or hide by pressing a button. You can also convert the cell content into icon with tooltip. Hide a selected cells on front end. Remove the selected cells on front end. Remove the escaping of HTML in the selected cells. And lastly, add a button to open a page with the contact form by Supsystic form. Now let's head to the settings option. Under the settings option, you will find main, features, appearance and text tabs. You can load or auto-load while you are customizing using these tabs. This is a premium plugin. It's both flexible and powerful. Vastly more flexible and powerful than a typical table module in a page builder. We'll explore all these superpower features in the advanced sections in later tutorials, but for now, know you have a V8 engine under your plugin bonnet here. Now, let's hit save and copy our shortcode and paste it on our page. Saving and loading data tables is a breeze with our plugin. With just a few clicks, you can store your tables securely and retrieve them whenever necessary. And there you have it. You're now equipped with the basic knowledge to create, manage, and utilize data tables effectively on your website. Stay tuned for more tutorials on advanced data table techniques in our upcoming segments. Happy tabling! Only in Supsystic.